Officials have set aside over 300 million rand for the maintenance and fixing of the Lesotho Highlands project tunnels that transport over 700 cubic meters of water into South Africa. About 4 provinces, including Gauteng, rely on the water that's fed into the Vaal system. Rand Water gets its bulk supply from there, which is then fed to various municipalities. Newzroom Afrika's Nqobile Madlala reports.
The Lesotho Highlands project tunnel that delivers over 780 million cubic meters of water to South Africa has been under maintenance since the beginning of October.
We put aside or set aside a budget of around 320 million just for the work that we need to do on this side.
The maintenance is a joint venture between South Africa and Lesotho. This is part of a treaty signed in 1986 to deliver water to South Africa.
They are maintaining their own infrastructure that side, and we're also maintaining and operating our infrastructure this side. And remember, Lesotho has got vested interest as well because they are also having a hydropower station that side.
Any other day, you wouldn't be able to walk here, but because there's been a maintenance that is taking place in these tunnels, we get to see the 4.7 diameter tunnel that transports water from Lesotho to South Africa.
You've got the precast sections, then you've got the in situ concrete sections, which was basically shuttered, reinforced and then concrete casted. We've got certain sections that is steel lined sections. That's where the biggest maintenance is currently happening.
So we're going to sandblast everything off, apply new epoxy paint, and then we sort it for the next 10 years or 15 years basically.
Officials also acknowledge the crisis looming in Gauteng.
The crisis in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal is not about the availability of water, what we call it water security. It's more about the distribution system around the services component. In the services component, most of these major metros, they never plan for the population growth. There's too many people there, whether people are migrating inland, whether people are coming from other countries.
Infrastructure leakages and power failures have cost the Gauteng province a lot.
We give them more than 5.1 billion litres a day. Out of the 5.1 billion litres a day, 2.5 billion goes to the ground. Imagine if the 2.5 was not going to the ground.
The customers are up here. The watershed in that area is up here, so you need to push the water up. Now, part of the problems in what you guys have been reporting on, it's more along the lines that if anything happens on the energy side, Rainwater is not able to push the water up.
Gauteng currently sits on level 2 water restrictions, but officials are adamant that there won't be a day zero anytime soon. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I am Nqobile Madlala in the Free State.